Reproduction in plants and animals. Reproduction, the word split into reproduction. Re means again, productions means making new or producing new. Here, plants and animals making new or producing new one of their own kind again is called reproduction. The definition of reproduction is reproductions can be defined as the process living being producing young one of their own kind. All these species reproduce in different ways. For example, animals such as dogs and cats give birth to young ones. Bears, birds lay eggs. These animals that give birth to their young one are called mammals. And next we are going to see modes of reproductions. Modes of reproduction are there. Two types. One is sexual reproduction, then another one is asexual reproduction. Sexual reproductions, in this method of reproduction, both the male and female parents are involved. Male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. This zygotes develop into a new individual. Then second one is asexual reproductions. In this method of reproductions, a single parent gives rise to the new individual. Asexual reproduction in plants. In this method of reproduction, some plant parts include the stem, root and leaf help in developing new plants. The other method of reproductions include binary fission, spore formation in plants, budding, fragmentation and vegetative propagation. First one is binary fission. Small and lower organisms such as bacteria, parameciums and blue-green algae reproduce through the method of binary fission. Then the second one is spore formation. Plants such as ferns, fungi and mosses reproduce by means of spores. They can survive for long period of time. The formation of spores is seen on the underside of the leaves of some ornamental plants. Then third one is budding. In this method, a small bud-like outgrowth is seen in the parent body. This bud grows, continues to increase in size and eventually get detached from the parent. Then fourth one is fragmentation. In this method of asexual reproduction, the parent plants divided into two or more parts or fragmentations. Each part of fragment that grows further into an independent new plant. It is a ribbon-like structure that are present in Spirogyra. The next one is asexual reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction is seen in very few animals and especially those of the lower group. Some examples of animals that reproduce asexual are hydra, corella, liverworts, amoeba and starfish. Our next topic is tissue culture. Tissue culture involves the production or growth of plants in an artificial or synthetic medium. Tissue samples scraps from parent plant. Next, the sample of tissue placed in undergrowth medium contains nutrients and accents. After that, sampled growing in tiny plants. And then next we are going to see flowers. This is flowers. So this is the structure of flower. Let's see the deep parts of this flower. So this is the petals. These are all the petals of the flowers. These are all the petals. Then the straight line. The straight line is called stigma. The straight line is called, the first pollen is called stigma. In the straight line, the inner part of the stigma is called style. Then the inner part of the, in this part is called ovary. In this part is called ovary. The stem is called as thalamus. And this part is called sepals. This is called petals. This is called sepals. The green is called sepals. The red is called petals. Then these are all the pollen grains, and the female part is called as stamen. The stem is called filament. Then the right side, the pollen grains are called anther. So this is in male reproductive part, and the stamen is female reproductive part. So the tube is called filament. Reproduction of plants is divided into two types. One is pollination, then second one is fertilization. Pollination divided into two types. One is bisexual, second one is unisexual. Bisexual means male and female character presented in these reproductions. Unisexual means only one character, male or female, any one character presented in this reproduction. Then we are going to see fertilization. Fertilization means, in this hibiscus flower we have anther and stamen. Anther is male reproductive one, then stamen is female reproductive one. When these two pollen grains joining and it comes to the stigma, and it makes the come to ovary, and it make a new zygote, is called fertilization.